everyone, myself Aditi from class 10th. As we all know, today is a day of all the warriors who have contributed their life for the justice. So, on the special day of International Justice Day, our school, Williams Academy, is conducting an enthusiastic activity. So, on behalf of this, I want to share some information and importance of International Justice Day.
The day marks the importance of bringing justice for the victims of war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide. It is also known as International Criminal Justice Day. The day unites all those who wish to support justice, promote the rights of the victims, also helps in preventing crime that threatens the peace, security, and well being of the world. 17 July is celebrated because this day is the anniversary of the adoption of the Rome Statute in 1998. With the help of this treaty, the International Criminal Court (ICC) was established. In 1998, since that day, about 139 countries have signed the court's treaty and nearly 80 states representative of every region of the world have ratified it. This day is important and celebrated to make people aware and united to support justice and also to promote the right of the victims. It also protects people from several crimes.
I would like to tell about the role model of the greatest freedom fighter Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. He honored in India as the father of the nation and practiced the principle of the Satyagraha, resistance to tyranny through mass non-violent civil disobedience. Moreover, this man was inspired by the several civil rights and freedom movements across the world. He became the famous as a leading Indian nationalist after coming from the South Africa. While leading nationwide campaign to ease poverty, expand women's rights, build religious and ethnic harmony, and eliminated the injustice of the caste system. Gandhi supremely applied the principles of the non-violent civil disobedience, playing a key role in the foreign India for foreign domination. He was also imprisoned for his action sometime for years, but he accomplished his aim in 1947 when India gained its independence from Britain. Due to his stature, he is now referred to as Mahatma, means great soul. In India, Mahatma Gandhi was fondly called Bapu and Gandhiji. He was the greatest leader of his time and millions of people used to respect and follow them. He was the greatest freedom fighter and advocate too. He always motivated us towards the freedom and the education, etc. From the Martin Luther King Jr. to Nelson Mandela have credited Gandhiji as a source of inspiration in their struggles to achieve equal rights for their people. He always says this: your belief become your thoughts becomes your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values becomes your destiny. Thank you everyone. I hope you all have a great day.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Khichi from class 10. I am here to perform a social activity on the World International Justice Day. Today I am going to tell the story of a girl named is Malala Yousafzai who fought for girl education. I tell my story not because it is unique but because it is the story of many girls. The words given by Malala. 1997, Malala was born in Mingora, Pakistan on July 12, 1997. Welcoming a baby girl is not always cause for celebration in Pakistan. But Malala's father, Ziauddin Yousafzai, was determined to give her every opportunity a boy could have. 2008, Malala's father was a teacher and ran a girls' school in her village. She loved school, but everything changed when the Taliban took control of her town in Sawat Valley. The extinction banned many things like owning television and playing music, and enforced harsh punishments for those who defied their orders, and they said girls could no longer go to school. In January 2008, when she was 11 years old, she said goodbye to her classmates, not knowing when, if ever, she would see them again. In 2020, she graduated from Oxford University. She will always treasure her time at Lady Margaret Hall, the lecture club, meeting, balls, and late nights. Some spent fishing papers, some just chatting with friends in the dorm. All through a global pandemic meant she spent her final months as a university student in her parents' house. She grateful she is grateful that she was able to complete her education. After taking time to relax, she is more dedicated than ever to her fight for girls. With more than 130 million girls out of school today, there is more work to be done. She hopes you will join her fight for education and equality. Together, we can create a world where all girls can learn and lead. Thank you, everyone.
So this is all for International Justice Day. I hope you all are also celebrating it by awaiting people. Stay safe and thank you.